Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Marvel-like intro. First, gather your essential assets, including high-resolution images or video clips. Next, choose a powerful, cinematic soundtrack that builds tension and excitement. Finally, select a bold, sans serif font for your title cards, ensuring it stands out against the dynamic visuals. To achieve the signature Marvel look, focus on a dark, moody aesthetic with bursts of color. Consider using a film grain overlay at about 10 to 15% opacity for a cinematic feel. Incorporate subtle lens flares and light leaks to add visual interest and energy. Remember, dynamic camera moves and quick cuts are key to maintaining high energy. Sound is crucial for a compelling intro. Choose an epic, orchestral score that builds anticipation and excitement. Ensure your sound effects, like whooshes and impacts, perfectly sync with your visual transitions and title reveals. A powerful, rising musical motif can elevate the entire experience, making your intro feel truly cinematic and memorable for your audience. For your text, a strong, sans serif font like Bibaz New or Oswald works wonderfully. Animate your titles with a subtle light sweep or glow effect to make them pop. The final reveal of your logo should be impactful, often accompanied by a powerful sound effect. Ensure your branding is consistent, leaving a lasting impression on your viewers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.